I'm gonna assume so. Let me see.
We're gonna have to test that pump, see if it's good.
I just wanna
even
see.
though it's not on the boiler, but you never know.
Phase, yeah. Where are you? Okay, I see it right there. All right. You know what? The fact they have it off, I would just want to get a new pump. Huh? Nigga, you look just like me. I'm glad we understand that. You can use words like we. You can use words like we. We have wire. All right. That's what I'm saying. That's what I like to hear.
I ain't gonna lie, it got me hyped. He had wire on deck. That's what I like to see. I do the same shit. Just keep random wires just in case for moments like this.
Let me get your meter. Let me get splice. On our outlet, small or big is the neutral? Do we know? Splice that. Make it 2 wires. This is big. That's power. Small is neutral. No, small is power, big is neutral. Remember that. What's neutral? He said, damn. Damn. He said he guessed.
You don't even know what we're talking about. It's all right.
Let me get this one. So this is small is power. Hold the pump. Mm-hmm. Moving?
Vibrating. It's not moving at all.
You feel it?
Yeah, the motor's like vibrating.
But it's not moving. You feel like it's like it's not like it's stuck. All right.
So that pump is no good. I put 120 on it. It's just stuck. So I'm gonna take a picture of it, send it through, and hopefully we can get a new one on that.